Okay, so I've been very horny today, and I'm just gonna do some sneezes for you guys. So here we go. I'm gonna use I don't know what this is, some piece of plastic. You know what would be a great idea? No, I sneezed on something. Hold on. Alright, I've seen this done in another video. I'm gonna sneeze on a CD. Let's see if I can get this in view. JLo, by the way, I don't really like her, so I'm just gonna. Or the CD, at least I don't like. Look at that. It's a lot there. Hold on. I don't want this to stay stuck there. And there's more. I think this was requested. I can't remember if it was or not. More. I'm gonna get this part. Hold on. Oh, okay, that's what was coming. Just gonna get this part. Oh. More snot came out than expected to. Alright, that's enough now. I'll show you the CD. Because I know some of you like the spray, like I do. And that's all the spray. Alright, that's it. See ya.